Welcome! In front of me I have GARETT Atom watch, and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing any of the buttons. Once you wake up the screen, press and hold on the current watch face, the home screen, to open the watch face menu. Once the menu opens, you can swipe left and right on the screen to scroll through the list of watch faces, find the watch face you would like to use on your watch, and once you find it, you can tap on it to select it and apply it. And basically that's how you change the watch face on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.